Hey man, can I get a drink?
What are you having?
Well, what do you guys got?
We got water, 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 and water.
Interesting. Well, I'll have one of each.
Hey guys, it's Tyler the Greatest, and I'm the Greatest, and welcome back to another legit food review. And I'm with Bongo Surprise, aka Patty, aka Wet Burrito.
We're glad to be here today. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drinking different kinds of water.
We've got our classic, our Deer Park, no copyright intended. Our Nestle Pure Life, my favorite water. Smart Water, and lastly, we've got Bougie Voss Water. That's right.
Basically, what we wanted to do is compare the different waters at different price points. Kind of like that one BuzzFeed show, Worth It.
And I'll tell you what, this is hands down worth it, because it's a hand. Get it?
We're gonna try all these different waters, and I think we should start off with the lowest price point of Nestle Pure Life. You can get these from anywhere to less than $1 to maybe $1.20. They're pretty cheap at any gas station. About
99 cents per plus tax. I think it's a good price. Plus, if you buy a big like 24 pack at like your local Walmart or Dollar General, you're paying like at least like 80 cents per bottle. So it's even cheaper in those big value packs. Plus, you drink it. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
This is we chose a Minion cup because we felt it was a good way to depict the feelings that you have when you're drinking this water, Nestle Pure Life water. It's flamboyant, it's fun, it's rich, it's childish.
Nestle Pure Life is pure water with enhancement with minerals. It's just normal purified water with calcium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and magnesium sulfate.
That sounds like a good water to me.
And it comes from private bottling sources.
That sounds like a deal.
Patrick,
me.
If you could take the first drink, please.
Yeah, I'll take the first sip. Let me first give you some sort of a... I would describe it as you just had a long run, and this is the first drink of cold water you get after a run. So, I'll do the honors. It glides across the tongue very well. It has almost a floral kind of note to it. That might be because of the breast cancer, but it has sort of nice floral notes to it. It reminds me sort of sparkling water minus the sparkle.
It tastes like the running waters of Antarctica on my tongue. It's a very crisper water. It's a very more crisp water. It's not got that earthy taste to it. It's got that natural taste. Like if you ever pick up snow, put it in your mouth, let it melt, and drink that. I think that perfectly describes what I'm experiencing right here.
And that's just from our first water, ladies and gentlemen. Keep in mind that this is a very nice water. This would pair well with some mozzarella cheese sticks.
Next water is Deer Park. Deer Park is the opposite of Nestle Pure Life because it's not pure, it's spring water. So
they get it from a spring inside of an actual park in which deer live.
This comes from the Spring of Life in Lake County, Florida. The ingredients include water.
Huh. I think to each his own, I think that the chemical flavors sometimes take a bit out of traditional drinking waters.
Now, let me tell you something, Patrick. I'm going to analyze this high-quality dinitrogen oxide, also known as hydrogen hydroxide in chemistry. It's an ionic bonded polar molecule. Water molecules from the opposite polar ends, and that's how things dissolve.
Right. I passed chemistry by 3 points.
Okay, so my first impressions is you're at football practice, okay, and there are bottles of cold, freshly poured water, like the Gatorade bottles. But the thing about football practice water is it comes straight from a garden hose. And so this has got that garden hose kind of earthy, dirty sense. This is personally why I don't like Deer Park water or spring water for that instance, because I just feel like it tastes like dirt.
So right off the bat, I'm
After
getting a
you.
much more earthy scent. It actually does have sort of a grassy, freshly cut grass kind of flavor to it. Now, Tyler, I'm going to have to disagree with you there. Immediately, right off the bat, drinking this water, I'm immediately reminded of... but I don't know. To me, it has a thickness that's very admirable, and it almost reminds me of restaurant water. But I can get the football practice. I never played football. So this next water that we have for us today is something known as the Smart Water. The impressive thing about Smart Water is that it's actually distilled, and electrolytes are added through taste. They are inspired sort of by clouds. They use evaporation techniques and distillation techniques to make the water taste as clean as possible. And they use electrolytes and other minerals as flavoring. So this is not a spring water. It is an evaporated water that is sort of a way to sort of add to the cleanliness factor of the water. Oh, wow. Right off the bat, it has an amazing, intense, it almost reminds me of a water.
Alright, so our next water is going to be Voss Water. And it's the very final water. So we have chosen a special cup. Now let me tell you something about Voss. It's artesian water from Norway. Okay? So I expect Voss Water to be literally the best thing I've ever tasted, just simply because of the bottle it's in.
You know, I think that if we drink this, it might be so good that we literally cannot drink any other forms of water following it.
Yeah, in fact, there's a warning label saying that this water is extremely addictive because it's so good. Yeah.
Well, might as well go ahead and give it a shot.
Might as well, you know. You know what they say. You know what they say. There's a first time for everything, and you should try everything at least once.
Drink it.
Patrick,
Drink it.
are you okay?
Drink it.
Okay, so I'm gazing into the light abyss.
It's
God. Oh my God. I can't do it. I don't want to risk it. I need to stay pure to pure life because it's been pure to my life. I can't do it. I can't drink any more of that. So my official review, Pat, are you okay, Pat? Pat, are you okay?
I'm great.
Alright, so my official review of that water is it's extremely tasty, and I seriously recommend it, but drink with caution. Anyways, guys, this has been Tyler the Greatest, and I'm the greatest with Bongo Surprise, and I give the Voss Water 5 H's out of the 2 O's. I give Smart Water about maybe 2.5 out of the 2 O's. I give Deer Park a 0. I hate spring water. And Nestle Pure Life, I give a 5 out of 5. Like, comment, do whatever. And I guess I'll deal with this. Alright. Patrick, are you good, man? Are you good?
I'm fine.
I
need to go to the bathroom.
You need to go to the... Alright, man. Drinking all that water, I guess. Pat, what are you doing?
Nothing. I need to go to the bathroom.
Pat, what are you doing?
I just need to go to the bathroom.
What are you doing?
Where am I going?
Alright, man. It's just down this hall right here. Patrick! 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 Patrick, you okay? You okay? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Are you kidding me right now? What are you doing?
I needed the distillation. I tried to distill.
What are you doing, Patrick? It's okay. We can just buy some more. But we can't let it go too far out of hand.